Hello friends, you're welcome back to our channel, the Chimade Tuesday channel. In this video I want to show you how you can earn steadily every week free Litecoin. This is not like just gathering and wasting your time. This is something you earn and it's transferred directly without you requesting for withdrawal. It's automated. Once you get to the minimal withdrawal limit, which is not difficult, it's not too hard, you get your withdrawal instantly in your wallet. Now I'm going to show you briefly on how this things work. Please pay attention. You need to know how it works, and once you start doing it, you discover that it's very simple. Now one of the things you have to know is, number one, some of us are talking about Bitcoin or other coins, but have you checked Litecoin recently? Litecoin seems to be the coin that have made the highest percentage of increase. As of few months early this year, Litecoin was at the price of something like $60 and all that. But as I'm talking to you now, Litecoin are risen to almost $140 currently. You can see the level of increment, and it's still going high and high and high. So that's why you cannot afford to miss this free opportunity. This system has been on for almost 10 good years now. I've been into this for a long time. I'm going to show you my withdrawals. Now all you are seeing here, you could see what the system is writing. You claim this, talking about me, you claim this. The system is still showing you what others claimed instantly and all that. So how do you do it? I'm going to show you. Just look at it. There are so many ways to earn here. The first one is what you have called hourly claim available. This hourly claim every single hour. Then you have the offer words. You have a bonus claim available. I'm going to show you how this one, you have this one. Then you have the one referrals, which it should always be. So, but this is another, you can see my live withdrawal. That's what they showed now. Now, look at, before I show you all of this, you can see the balance I have here already. This is 0085, just call it 85,000 plus of, Litoshi. Litoshi is the kind of the Kobo part of Litecoin. When like you talk about Satoshi for Bitcoin, that is what it is. So, but once you have 100,000 Litoshi, the system sends to you. If you have it before every Tuesday, on Tuesday they send to you. If you can't make it on that particular Tuesday, it will be shifted to the next one once you make it up. Now, but in all of these ways you can earn, the most important ones, which is so easier, that's why I say most important one, is this one, this hourly, and that's the one I'm going to concentrate, and this one. So, and sometimes offer one, but some of these ones involving a lot of surveys and all that, and sometimes they not be open to some countries. Now concentrate on this and that or referral. Now let's go. Let me show you how it works, and I will also open this control panel to show you other things. Please pay attention. If you are new to this channel, this is the right time to subscribe. Please let me go back. I don't want to. Now, this one you see, out of the two I told you about hourly claim. I made a mistake. Instead of clicking the hourly claim first, I click on this one. This one is the one that comes as a bonus. I take every 6 hours. See how it plays out. Now, the system say get reward. You can't get this reward without watching an ad. Just pay attention. Let me just try one of them. I click on here. Let's watch.
Practice your English.
Let's do it.
What you are seeing here is an ad running. Please wait for this ad a few seconds. When the ad finishes running, I will show you what next to do. It's not difficult. This is how they make the little money they pay you free. And it's so legit. So legit. You can be making this draw every single week. You know what that means? And Litecoin is now at $130 something. You know what that means? So you can see the advert has concluded. So let me click on this arrow up here to go out of the adverts. It has now concluded. Now I click on here. Now claim reward. I will now click on claim reward, and wherever this spinning touches, any of this is what I earn. Just watch. Okay, scrolling, what is spinning? You see 112 is claimed. I click on continue. Yeah, brought me back here. What you see me do is this one, this bonus claim. I can do it up to 7 times. Once you do it to a point and it stops, it will not take another 6 hours for you to do it again. But this one is every hour, so let's do it. Bonus hourly claim available once. Just watch what happens here, how to play this game. Now, this game has 3 sections. What are the sections? You have these first sections here. You understand? You can see the highest here should be this 102. So once you click on spinning now, and the spinning goes on, you have 2 spinning at the first free spinning. As you can see here, spins 2. Once you click on it, and it goes on, and it doesn't hit any of these things here. Look at it. It will touch any of these numbers. So anyone that is bigger, you can claim it. Now, if it touches any of these things here, it will quickly move to this second part, which is this second part column you are seeing here. You can see the highest here is I think 239. So you will get something here. Anyone you get, if you want to claim it, you claim it that way. But if luckily it hits this, while it's doing that, it hits this particular thing, it will now move over to this ones on top. So you might be lucky to even get this 100 instantly. That means it's a luck. People earn it. If you watch what is going on, you see that people get you lucky and piam, they win this instantly. So they can see that they already qualify for withdrawal. You can now earn more, so much more before that Tuesday withdrawal goes automatically to your wallet. Now, so let me show what I'm talking about practically. Now let's spin. I spin, just watch. You see what it gets? I want to spin again. I don't like that number. You see, I has clicked here. I have gone to the second part. You see what I just said now? Okay. Now, it has hit for me. It couldn't. I was wishing that it would have hit here and go up, but it didn't do that. It stopped here. 239. I can decide to claim that. But what if I feel that is too small? I want to try again. Do you know what I'll do? I want to get more spins. So I'm going to click on more spins. Once I click on more spin, this system will run some ad again. After I watch that ad, the system will give me 3 more spins. Why do I need these spins? Because I want to see if I can get something bigger than what I've got now. I may run that spin and luckily it will hit here and take me off the one up there where I can earn something bigger. But if I think I don't want to waste that time, I will just check what the system has given me. And if I go for these more spins and the system give me 2 more spins, I tried it doesn't work. I'll click on more spin again. The system allows me to watch an ad and give me another spin. If it's not good for me, I watch another ad, get more spin. But you can do it to a point up to 8 or 10 times. When you keep on doing that, watch ads. You get a point, the system says there's no more ad to watch. So claim whatever is the highest thing you have received. Now, in this case, I have 2 earnings here, but this one is the highest, so I click on it. The system says, you want to claim 239 Litoshi? I say yes. It will be added. Watch it now added to my balance. Are you seeing it? It has been added. I now click on continue. Having clicked on continue, for that hourly claim, you see that it has started running again. So in the next hour, I can now do this again. But meanwhile, let me conclude with my bonus claim available. One more. If I show you one other things I need to show you, just watch. I need to show you something on the area of the, the control panel. What you need to do to set up your account. Okay, claim reward. Let's see what we're going to have here. The spinning is going through. You see what it got, 32. So I do this, I've been added. I still have opportunity to do that. Because of this video, let me now continue from there. So the next thing I want to show you, let's click on control panel. Watch control panel now. Now in this control panel, see, when you are setting up your own, when you register, you are going to see this. You can see my wallet address, where this thing is sent every Tuesday when I have up to 100,000 Litecoin. You can see it's already closed. This is 85,000. Now, you have limited access to this change, okay? Now you can see, they say the next payout is December 10, that is Tuesday. That next payout means if I have up to 100,000 Litecoin by Tuesday being 10th, it will be sent automatically to my account. But if I don't have up to that, then it will postpone to the next week, which is 17th of December. Now, you could see my last payout. It's written here. That was 111,245 Litecoin sent on social date. And that is it. Now, you're also going to see this. You can see if I click on payment history, let me click on that payment history. If I click on referrals, you're going to see my referrals. A lot of people are here. Let me click on payment history. Just watch. You see, are you seeing it? These are payments so far I've received. If you see drag down, it is there. So much of them. And so the system have been paying instantly. It doesn't waste time. Once you have up to that threshold of 100,000 Litecoin and above, before Tuesday of every week, it is sent directly to your account. Please, we cannot joke and play with crypto. We can see what's happening in the crypto world. And this is even better and bigger than all the tap we're doing. This is so instant and so good. So I encourage you, if you are seeing this video, please do it to, sign up with the account. I'm going to drop the link for you to sign up, follow through this video, learn what to do, and bring in more people to it so that you can earn. How the system works, as my people who I recruit, anything you earn, the system paid me instantly 10% of it. In fact, that's why it was easy for me to earn more. I can just come up at any time. Before you know it, pyramid is already made up because I'm earning crazy from referrals. So this is free. Invite your friends to join and you earn massively from them. Please do wait to subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, and don't forget to like this video, share it as well. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.